The history of cooking techniques is a fascinating journey that reflects the evolution of human civilization, culture, and technology. Here are some key milestones and techniques throughout history. Prehistoric cooking, fire use. The discovery of fire was pivotal, allowing early humans to cook food, which made it safer to eat and easier to digest. Roasting. This technique involved cooking meat over an open flame or hot stones. Ancient civilizations, boiling early pots made from clay or metal allowed for boiling food in water or broth. Baking. Ancient Egyptians used ovens made from mud bricks to bake bread. Fermentation techniques for fermenting foods, such as making yogurt and beer, were developed in various cultures. Classical Antiquity, spices and herbs. The use of spices and herbs became prominent, with the Romans and Greeks enhancing flavors in their dishes. Grilling and broiling techniques for cooking meat over direct heat were refined. Whoosh. During the Middle Ages, new preservation techniques like salting, smoking and drying were developed to keep food from spoiling. Stewing also became quite popular, with the use of pots for slow-cooking soups and stews becoming a common practice. In the Renaissance and Enlightenment periods, culinary techniques saw significant refinement. There was the introduction of sauces and more elaborate presentations. This era also marked the emergence of gastronomy, which focused on the art and science of good eating. The Industrial Revolution brought significant changes to the culinary world. Advances in technology allowed for the canning of food and the preservation of perishables. Gas and electric stoves also emerged during this time, revolutionizing home cooking. The 20th century saw the invention of the microwave oven, introducing a new, quick cooking method. Another notable technique was sous vide, which involves vacuum sealing food and cooking it in a water bath at a precise temperature. This method gained popularity among chefs. While modern culinary trends have brought about fusion cuisine, blending culinary traditions from different cultures to create innovative dishes and techniques. With a rise in vegetarianism and veganism, plant-based cooking techniques have gained prominence. Additionally, molecular gastronomy, a modern cooking style that uses scientific principles to create new textures and flavors, has captivated the culinary world. Throughout history, cooking techniques have evolved, influenced by geography, culture, and technological advancements, reflecting the creativity and adaptability of humanity.